Jamin, stop showing me attitude and start moving your hands. Cook, Cookie only this shit. Cookie won't do this now. Cookie isn't in mood. Jimin, Cookie, don't test my patience level. Sit here again. Cook, Cookie said nah. Cookie won't do this. Then Cookie won't. Don't pressure things hard. Jimin, pressurize. Cook, yeah, this tough food. Don't tough food Cookie. Cookie already has so many tough food. Jimin, oh really? What pressure you have? Cook, first Cookie has to wiki in the morning. Then Cookie has to eat breakfast. Then Cookie has to go to school daily, which Cookie doesn't wanna go. Who said Cookie has to go school daily? Appa forcefully sent Cookie daily. Then Cookie's teacher doesn't let Cookie to sleep. Poor Cookie became so tired. After that, teacher gives poor Cookie lots of homework. Cookie can't even play. Cookie will show everyone. Jimin, stunned to hear him. Yeah, teacher should let Cookie to sleep in classroom. Schools are made only for sleeping, na. Poor Cookie can't even play. Huh? Poor Cookie always wanna play. Today, poor Cookie's teacher did lots of complaints about Cookie. Did poor Cookie know how much Appa embarrassed today? My mom and dad never got any complaints about me. I was so sincere boy, but here I have to listen my son's complaint daily. Do you have any idea what wrong you did today? I'm just tired of you. I can't bear more complaints. I'm so fed up. Cook, same tone. Then why did the send poor Cookie to school? If Cookie doesn't go to school, then no one will complain. Cookie, simple. Jimin, see how shamelessly you are arguing with your appa. Cook, Cookie isn't shameless. Cookie is only replying. Jimin shouts, enough Jungkook. Everything has its limit. Now you are crossing your limits. Cook shouts back, oh Jungkook. Cookie's name is Cookie. Kookie. Cookie. Jimin angrily looked at him. You won't listen to me, right? Cook, Cookie always listen to Appa. Cookie has two ears. See? Showed him his ears. Jimin, your tongue is getting longer day by day. Cook, stick out his tongue. No, Cookie's tongue is same size. See? Jimin had enough now. He was already mad on him, and Cookie shouting and back replying added fuel in his anger. He slapped him. It wasn't hard. It was just a little dust, but being a super dramatic kid, he started crying like he got hit by belt. Jimin slapped him. Enough! Don't you dare to shout on me. I'm tolerating your misbehavior. But it doesn't mean that you will shout on me and forget who am I to you. Cook dramatically sit on the floor and started crying loudly while holding his cheek. Ah! Jimin looked at him and shook his head in disbelief. This boy. He went to his room and brought some books and notebooks. Cook was still sitting on the floor and crying loudly while holding his cheek. Jimin, are you planning to stay there for forever? Cook looked at him with big fat teary eyes. Appa slapped poor Cookie. Poor Cookie doesn't talk to Appa. Jimin grabbed his arm and made him sit near the center table. Stop your drama. I only lightly touched you. Now start doing your homework. Cook, Cookie won't do anything. What will Appa do? Beat poor Cookie? Then beat. But poor Cookie won't do anything. He harshly pushed books, notebooks, pencils and all the stationery items which was on the center table. All the things spread on the floor which made Jimin more mad on him. Jimin, what's this, Jungkook? Cook, can't Appa see? Nobody can force Cookie to do things which Cookie doesn't wanna do. Jimin, you just wait. I know very well how to make you right track. You want beatings, right? Then today I will fulfill your all the wish too. You will get good beatings today. Went to somewhere. Cook looked at his going figure, big with pouty face. What does Appa think about himself? Huh? Once Cookie said Cookie won't do this thing, Cookie won't. Jimin came back with hand brush. I will see. How will you won't do your work? Cook. Cookie doesn't scale of Appa. Jimin, I can see that, but don't worry, from today onwards, Cookie will start scaring from Appa. Cook gives a suspicious look. What does Appa mean by this? Jimin, I will show you soon. Now pick your books. Cook looked at the books and turned his face to the side. No, Cookie doesn't pick them. If Appa wants, then Appa should pick them by himself. Jimin, you will pick up all the books today. It's my last warning to you. Pick the books right now, otherwise, showed him hand brush. Cook stubbornly. No, Cookie already said that. Cookie doesn't pick them, then Cookie doesn't. Jimin, okay, as you wish. Now don't blame me that I didn't warn you. Cook, Cookie is the man of his words. Jimin, let's see. With that, he took his favorite teddy bear and started beating him by hand brush. Now Cookie got scared to see him. He quickly went to Jimin and tried to free his teddy bear. Cook, no! Why is Appa beating Cookie's daddy? Cookie's daddy is on an ocean. Please leave him now. Jimin, no, Cookie's daddy is also brought like Cookie. First Appa will beat daddy, then Cookie. Cook, no, please nah. Cookie will do everything. Please don't beat Cookie's daddy. Jimin, no. Cook quickly picked him all the stationery item which he skated and started doing his homework. Jimin looked at him. Aren't you forgetting something? Cook quickly held his ears by his hands. Cookie, Charlie, Cookie won't throw you again. Please forgive Cookie. Apologized to his stationery items. Jimin left his daddy and put the hand brush on the couch. Now, tell me, Cookie will complete his work or not? Cook quickly picked his daddy and started rubbing him. Daddy will be fine. Cookie will rub daddy. Jimin looked at him and smiled, but again put his angry face. I asked something. Cook looked at him. Cookie will do Cookie's all the homework. Jimin, then move your hand fast. You have lots of homework to complete. With that, Cookie started doing his homework, but Jimin wasn't satisfied because his writings aren't understandable. He was only doing formalities, so Jimin lightly slapped on his hand. Jimin picked his notebook. What's this? When I can't understand anything, then how will your teacher do? Erase everything. Cook. Why did the boy erase it? Cookie complete it with lots of artwork now. Jimin. Write down again, but this time in good handwriting. Cook. Again he started writing. Cookie's hands are hurting. Cookie can't do this now. Jimin grabbed Cookie's hand and placed it on the center table, then put the hand brush on it. Look, Cookie, today I'm not in mood to bear your tantrums. I won't hesitate to hit you on your knuckles, so choice is all yours. What do you want? Complete the homework like a good boy, or complete it by getting hit, because you will gonna complete it by yourself. Now decide fast. Hit the floor by the hand brush. See, I will hit you exactly like this. Cook got scared and screamed, ah! Jimin looked at him. Why are you screaming now? Did I hit you? Cook, no, but Appa will hit poor Cookie now. Jimin, Appa will hit Cookie when Cookie won't complete his work. If Cookie will complete everything like a good boy, then Appa won't do anything. Cook quickly wiped his tears by his hand. Okay, Cookie will complete all the homework, but promise Appa won't hit Cookie. Jimin, then start doing your homework. Cook slowly picked the handbrush and again put it on the couch. Otti! Cookie started doing his homework in good handwriting. Jimin was watching him and smiled to see his cute, scared face. Whenever Cookie put down his pencil, he saw the handbrush and again he started doing his work. He was so scared of it. Jimin went to kitchen to prepare lunch, but time to time check Cookie too. Today Cookie got lots of homework. Cook screamed, "Ah!" Jimin looked at him. Now what happened to you? Why are you screaming? Cook, Cookie is doing his homework now. Then why did Papa bring this scaly thing to feed poor Cookie? Jimin looked at the spatula which he was holding. Stop screaming. I'm not gonna beat you. Cook looked at him with cute scared face. Then why did Papa bring this scaly thing to scare poor Cookie? Jimin, I was preparing lunch. I just came here to check you. Cook, don't come closer to Cookie with this scaly thing. Jimin, okay fine, I'm not coming there. Complete your work. Time skipped after some times. Cookie completed his half work and Jimin told him to stop for a while. He was trying to feed him his lunch, but Cookie started his new drama. Jimin, strictly, open your mouth. Cook turned his face to the side. No, Cookie doesn't like this EU veggies. Appa put lots of EU veggies in this. Jimin pulled his ear. I'm watching your drama. From past few weeks, you became choosy. Nowadays, you doesn't want to eat any veggies. Cook, Cookie's ear hurts. Jimin, right now only Cookie's ear hurts. If Cookie doesn't listen to me, then Cookie's cheek will hurt too. Do you want that? Cook shook his head vigorously. No. Jimin, then quickly finish it. Put the spoonful food in his mouth. You have to chew it. Don't you dare to swallow it. Our poor Cookie doesn't have any choice. He started chewing the food with teary eyes and quickly finished it too. He gave him some time break from studies and went to his room. Time skipped after some times. Yoongi came back from his work and saw Cookie was sitting on the floor with big angry pout. He understood definitely something happened again. He smiled and went to him. Yoongi sat on the floor next to him. Cookie, what happened? Why are you sitting here with big pout? Cook looked without looking at him. Asked to your love. Yoongi, now what did my love do? Cook looked at him. Long question, Dada. Dada should ask, what didn't your love do? Yoongi, oh, this much anger. Tell me, what did my love do to my poor Cookie? Cook, your love beat poor Cookie first. First, Appa slapped Cookie heel, put his finger on his cheek, then beat poor Cookie's innocent daddy by handbrush. After that, pulled poor Cookie's ear. He things hurt. Yoongi threatened. Cook, yeah, this tough word. He tough word Cookie. He says he will beat poor Cookie with handbrush. After that, feed Cookie EU veggies. Yoongi wiped his tears. It's alright, Cookie. Dada is sorry from Appa's behalf. Dada will talk to Appa. Now don't cry. Cook shouts, Appa! Dada wanna talk. Come here. Yoongi quickly covered his mouth. Shh! What are you doing, Cookie? Stop shouting. Dada will talk to Appa at night. Cook bite his hand. No, Dada should talk to Appa now. See, Appa is coming. Jimin came there and stand in crossed arm. What do you wanna say? Yoongi, why did you slap Cookie? He's so small. Cook whispered. You got an innocent too. Yoongi, I mean, just look at him. How cute and innocent a Cookie is. You shouldn't slap him. Jimin crossed arm. Oh, so he complained to you. Didn't he tell what happened in his school today? Yoongi, I know. Today also he must be got complained, but little bit scoldings are enough for him. After all, he is only 5-year-old kid. Jimin, your so-called 5-year-old kid cheated in his test, tore his classmate's notebook and stole a girl's pencil box. Yoongi, what? Cookie, this is wrong, baby. You shouldn't do this. Now say sorry to Appa. Cook quickly held his ears. Cookie, surely. Cookie won't do this again. Jimin, that's it. We should forget everything. You know what? He is just like you, totally brat. You are the reason of his spoiling. You never scold him for anything. You are indirectly encouraging him to do wrong things. You don't know how much embarrassing is it to hear his complaints daily. You weren't on my place, that's why you don't know what I was feeling. I never got a single complaint throughout my whole studies, but here I'm hearing his complaints daily. Do you even know what does it mean? Today he stole a pencil box. Tomorrow he will steal any other things, but you are so chilled out just like nothing happened. You know what? I am a fool who are talking to you. I know nothing will gonna happen. Do whatever you wanna do. I'm so tired of everything. Yoongi, why are you scolding me if he was in fault? What did I do? Jimin, that's the real problem. You didn't do anything. Angrily left from there. He angrily came to balcony and called to his young. OTP. Jimin tiredly. Hello, Jinny Hangi. Jin, hello baby. What happened to you? You sound worried. Jimin, Jinny Hangi, your baby is so tired and wanna meet you badly. Jin, oh my little baby. I will be back in 1 week. After that, I will definitely come to meet you. Now tell me, why are you worried? What's bothering you? Jimin, shocked. How do you know? Jin, because I know you since your birth. You can't hide anything from Oma and me. Jimin, Yangi, I'm feeling like a failure. I didn't know parenting will be this much tough. You are perfect in everything. You handle 2 children with so much ease, but I can't handle 1 child. Jin, hey, why are you thinking like this? My Jimmy is so strong. He isn't a failure. Tell me what happened. Did you fight with Yoongi? Jimin, no, I mean, yes, I don't know, Yang. I just said whatever comes in my mouth. Jin, tell me everything. What did Cookie do? Jimin, Yang, he started spoiling day by day, and reason is Yoongi's excessive love. He isn't understanding that nothing is good in excessive amount. Today, first Cookie cheated in his test, then tore his classmate's notebook. After that, he stole another girl's pencil box because it was sparkling. His principal complained to me. It was so embarrassing, Hank. You know na, our parents never got any complaints about us. They always heard good things, and here I always got his complaints. I'm so tired of saying sorry again and again. Jin, then why don't you talk with Cookie? Talk with him and calmly make him understand that it's not good thing. Jimin, Yang, do you think I didn't try? I tried to make him understand calmly and he understood too. But after 2-3 days, again he started doing this. I realized it's all my fault. I'm not able to give him good upbringing. I'm just a failure as a parent. Jin, shh, don't say like this. No one is expert in parenting. With child's birth, parents take birth too. They have to learn throughout their lives. Every child is different, so every child needs different parenting too. Jimin, I don't know anything, Yang. You didn't face this much problem. Juni Yang is so sensible. He didn't let Hobie and TT spoil. But Yoongi is totally opposite of him. He loves Cookie so much he can't even scold him. Whenever I try to scold him, he always protect him by saying Cookie is too small for scoldings. By the time he will learn everything. Jin, who said this to you? That Juni is sensible. He is also childish. He also loves Hobie and TT a lot. I have to handle 3 children. He isn't less than a child, he always breaks things. But yeah, I didn't need to worry about Hobie and TD's studies, he managed everything. Jimin, but Yoongi isn't. He didn't even pay attention on his studies. He started playing with him. Your both the children are very good, but Cookie is so naughty. He's never listened to me. Jin, in your dreams, Hobie is good. I didn't get any complaint about him, but TT, he's the naughtiest kid. There isn't any single day spent when he didn't get beatings from me. Jimin, shocked. Yeah, you beat him. Isn't it wrong? Jin, Jimmy, nothing is wrong, baby. There is no perfect way to do parenting. You have to use all the ways, sometimes by talking, sometimes by giving real examples, so sometimes beatings. You have to do everything. There is nothing wrong. Fear of doing wrong thing is also important, but make sure it never settle in their mind. Everything could in the required amount. You should talk with Yoongi and tell him to take the responsibility of Cookie's studies. He is his data. He will definitely understand. If not, then tell me. Me and Juni will make him understand. Jimin, thank you so much, Yoongi. I'm feeling so relieved after talking with you. I will talk to Yoongi on this matter. Jin, that's good. Call ended. Time skipped after some times. He was sitting on the swing and thinking about his intense conversation. He was so lost in his thought that he didn't even realize when Jungkook came there and sat in front of him. Cook slowly shook him. Appa! Jimin looked at him. Now what do you want? Cook gave him his notebook. See, Cookie completed his all the work. Jimin checked his homework. Cook climbed on swing and hugged him tightly. Cookie is so Charlie. Cookie won't repeat this again. Please forgive Cookie. Yoongi sat beside him on the swing. I'm also sorry. I realized my mistake. I never took his situation seriously, but now I will take it. I promise. I will talk to his principal. I will take full responsibility of his studies. I won't let him spoil. Now please forgive me. Jimin, I'm sorry too. I took out my frustration on you. Yoongi, it's alright. We will do his upbringing together. I won't let bear this alone. Cookie also promised that Cookie won't do this again, Charlie. Jimin, it's alright, but don't forget it. Not all the time talking works. Sometimes punishment is also important to balance between fun and discipline. But punishment should be according to child's pain bearing ability. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. This was the requested story for one shot. I twisted something because I already made few videos on this topic. I hope I didn't disappoint you. You know what? Sometimes talking doesn't work. You have to punish your child to stop his or her unnecessary behavior. I always said that correct your child when he or she does his first mistake, because if you neglect it once, then they won't take much time to take it their habit. I hope you all enjoyed it and understand the meaning behind the story. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.